Hey everybody, welcome to Peace Transfer. Today I'm right in front of my window and this is my art project for today. This is a snake plant which my brother got suddenly one day from market and we had no planter to put it, so we put it in a paint bucket. And right now I am trying to do something with the paint bucket. At first I thought I would color it with gesso and acrylic, but then I decided I have some extra pieces of this, so I thought I would cut this small pieces and in a brick shape. So let's start the video. Here I used a random kitchen knife to cut those small brick pieces of thermocol, and I was not taking any special measurement for it. My only concern was that the brick pieces should not be too much thick because I needed to stick it with glue, and I don't have a hot glue gun, so Fevicol was the only way. So I was worried about this, and now as you can see in the video, the brick pieces were so random, and I am back with the plant and started attaching the brick pieces one by one with glue. It was kind of an easy process, but I was taking my time so that I don't damage the plant. If you are doing something like craft and want to decorate a planter, then it's better if you decorate the empty planter, then put the plant in. Anyways, after that I took some glue and water, then I mixed it to give a coat of tissue paper on top of the bricks. And here I lost the clip of coat, but I have another clip where I use the same process again to decorate this planter. Anyways, here the result after we coated the bricks with tissue, and now it was time to color. There is one thing that I didn't share in this video, that after each process, adding glue, then thermocol, then tissue, I let the process sit for at least 5 to 6 hours. So in this complete process was not happening in one day. It was taking like almost 3 to 4 days. This was the result after coloring the bricks, and at first I thought I would keep it that way. I almost placed it in my window, but then I don't know what was happening in my head. I started adding little branches all around the. Then I also wanted to add a door, like there was branches all around, then a door was in the middle, and so it was the thought process at that time. Again I attached the door with Fevicol and started using tissue paper and glue to secure it. It was the process that I was talking about. Just take some small pieces of tissue and then with the help of a brush secure it with glue. Let it dry before coloring it. Here I used acrylic color for the door, and for the bricks I used normal watercolor. For applying the original color of the door, I added a little bit of white because the door was really off the color. I don't know what it was, maybe the color of the peach board, and the tissue layer was not thick enough. Anyways, so after coloring the door, I also added a mini door behind this door, but I will show it in the final clip. This is the final result in my room, and let's go outside to see how it looks. This is 1 month after I decorated it, and the plant was growing, so my mother put a lot of soil in it, and there was soil on door and on bricks, but it's still looking nice, I guess. Anyways, here is the back door that I was talking about, and it is an indoor plant, so it generally stays in my room window. That's why it is not damaged with rainwater and all that. Anyways, thank you for watching.
And if you like this video, do subscribe to B Scrub Zone and follow for more.